Hey everyone, welcome back to Quick Shifts. My name is Jason and we're back again with our 2024 Ford Bronco Everglades, and we've got another floor mat to show you guys. This one's a budget-minded one and we thought you guys would really like this, so let's go take a look at it. All right, so our friends over from Autosaver88 reached out to us, and they are a brand associated with Yida Home, an Amazon brand, of course. And they reached out after seeing the last fit review, and they asked us if we would try out theirs and give them a try and a fair review on them. So we went ahead and had them send us a set of these, and these can be found on Amazon. If you search for Autosaver88 and Bronco, these will come up. It's a nice box they come in. You guys can see a picture of the product right here on the box. Nice and solid. Let's go ahead and yank these out of the box. Try to get these out of the box. All right. So now that we got these out of the box, come in a nice thick plastic bag. These are a TPE floor mat, like last fit. They are a custom formed floor mat, so they should fit really well into the Bronco. Right away, pulling these out, you can see it's the TPE material. It's pretty thick. Nice material. It's got inlays in here to keep you from sliding around. It's got the clips so it clicks into the seat or into the floor. A little bit of information on the product, customer support. So you have two separate units here, one for the passenger side, one for the driver's side, and then what looks to be the big piece for the rear. And again, you'll notice this has all the little stays, if you guys can see those. That should keep this from sliding around once installed. Same on the passenger and driver's side. So let's go ahead and, that's the passenger. No making a mess here. Let's grab the driver's side and throw it into the Bronco. So this should be simple to get in here. So we'll pull out the stock mats, throw them in the back for right now. Then we take these, slip them on in there. Zoom out a little bit for you. So slip them in here and then snap them down into place. And there you go. You can see how these slide into place here. Now these are budget minded, so there are little things like that doesn't sit perfectly flush. It doesn't come up as high up here. The last fit come up much higher. But for someone who's just a daily driver, not gonna have a bunch of dirt and mud in here, these should be great. And at $85 a piece, it's a very economical option. Let's go install the passenger floor mat real quick. Swing the door open, grab the old mat, set that in the back for now. Grab this mat, slide it down in. Again, it has the push stay. Click that down, and bada boom, bada bing. Fits very nicely. It's a great economic option from Autosaver88. Off of Amazon. I'll put a link down below so you guys can get at these if you like these. And then for the rear, of course you guys see I'm doing all this one-handed. So if you have both your hands, it should be that much easier even to get these in. So I believe it goes that way. Unfold these out. Slide them down in. And there you go. Now you got them in. Come over to the passenger side. Do the same thing. So grab these, push it down. Make sure it's slotted in there. And ta-da, there you go. This is in place. So you can see how this fits. Again, the fitment isn't as perfect as the last FitR or a WeatherTech, but you cannot beat it for this price. At $85 is a great option. Again, I'll put the link down below. So there you guys just saw in a few minutes, taking these out, installing these in, 85 bucks, it's a great option. So there you have it, guys. Autosaver88, some $85 floor mats, TPE floor mats, custom fit for your Bronco. Saves you a whole lot of money to go this route. You can get them off Amazon. Links will be down below. Share this with your friends, hit that like button, subscribe. We got a lot more video on reviews and stuff for the Ford Bronco coming your way, so stay tuned.